had a lot of requests to show people how to clean a skillet and actually use our product as well. So that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to start by taking and paper towel wad. We're going to wipe out what we can. Okay? Pretty nasty and grimy, right? We'll put it on the stove. Let's warm it up a little bit. And all we want to do is warm this up to the touch, just to the top of the rim where it's pretty warm. And that's all it's going to take. That way the bottom will be well heated. We can also wait till we see a little smoke coming off of it. That means it's plenty hot too. And what we're going to do, once it gets to that temperature, we're going to carry it over to the sink. We're going to run hot water in it, kind of steam it, and it'll help clean. So as you can see right now, it's pretty warm. So it's surely warm enough for us to go create our steam. So I'll see you at the sink. I'm going to turn the water on hot, make sure it's good and hot. We don't want to run any kind of cold water on our cast iron because it will shock the cast iron and cause it to crack. Or, let's just say that bad things happen when we run cold water. It will shock our cast iron. Now it's good and hot. So here we go. A little steam in here. Take our scrubby. Give it a good scrub here. Now watch out because this water is really hot. So make sure that and you can, if you want, you can use Dawn dishwashing liquid. As you see, I've got it here. Yes, I'll cast iron seasoning. You stand up to Dawn dishwashing liquid. You just don't want to do soap. So we've got a little scrubby here. Rinse it out. So the rinse it good. Okay. No more rusties, no more rusties. Yep. Now that we've got it good and clean, we're going to dry it off with a towel. We're going to carry it back over to the stove and warm it up just a little bit because it's pretty warm as it is now. But I'll see you over at the stove. Okay, we're back in the sink now. So we're going to wipe it out, make sure we get all the water out of it. We can use paper towel here, but it doesn't really matter. Any lint-free cloth will work well. We'll wipe the bottom, the inside, the outside. Make sure we get it good and dry. We're going to put it back on for just a second to let it warm back up. And then the magic begins with our T&J cast iron seasoning. So doesn't take much, we'll just take a little bit here. And we'll take this, we'll rub it inside and out. You can turn the stove off because we're done with the heat. Rub it all around the rim. Get it rubbed in around the edges. Take a little bit on the outside, although it doesn't really need it, but we'll do it to keep our stuff nice and shiny and well protected. Don't have to worry about rust. Okay, so here we are. Nice, shiny. We'll let it sit here for just a minute to kind of cool off. It also allows our seasoning to soak into the cast iron. You hear about it opening the pores when you heat it up and all that stuff. It really doesn't have any pores, but what I personally think it does is it liquefies the seasoning or thins down the oil that's in the seasoning and allows it to actually penetrate and soak in. So now that we've done that, we're going to take a dry cloth. I'm going to take a paper towel here for this. We're going to wipe it around. Inside and out. We're going to wipe off all the excess. We don't want to see any shiny here, okay? That's the secret. We want to make sure we're wiping it like we're trying to wipe every bit of it off, both inside and out. More importantly, inside. Change your rag. This is an old skill I've had around for years. As you can see, it cleans up rather nicely. Now you just have to let it cool off enough and put it away and you're ready for the next time. Okay, so everybody's got one of these around the house, right? Look at this. Because of the beeswax, it's a natural finishing. You can protect all of your wooden utensils that you have, wooden spoons, wooden spatulas, anything that you have at wood. This soaks in very nicely, and it seals and penetrates. It's a great product. Your cutting boards, let's not forget the cutting board. Yep, I used that to prepare dinner, so here we go. You can put this on our cutting board. Not only does it make it nice and shiny, but it seals it. And so, anytime you're cutting vegetables or meat or anything else, it seals it. You see how shiny that is? The oil is what does the protection, and the beeswax keeps it in place. So, it's not just for your cast iron cookware, folks. You can use this on any of your wood products that you have in your kitchen, cutting boards, spatulas, any of that stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. T&J's Cast Iron Seasoning is not just for your cast iron. Although it does a fantastic job, it also does a fantastic job of sealing your wood utensils, your cutting boards, anything in your kitchen that's wood that you'd like to protect. We're going to be doing more and more of these videos in the future. If there's something you'd like us to do a video on, please put it in the comments down below. Hit the thumbs up like button and hit the subscribe button. There'll be multiple videos coming out. We're going to do tips and tricks on cast iron. We're going to do some cooking on cast iron, all kind of things in the future. So you don't want to miss that. So hit the subscribe button. Anytime we upload a video, you'll get a notification that we've uploaded a new video. And again, to our customers, we say thank you. If you're not a customer and you're watching this video, please be a customer. It's a great product. You can find it on Facebook Marketplace at T&J Cast Iron Seasoning.